While the West struggles with job losses and a crisis of confidence, China is pushing its businesses harder than ever. Trade fairs and exhibitions in cities like Shanghai and Beijing keep getting bigger and better. The latest Home Textiles Expo organized in Shanghai attracted hundreds of exhibitors from Asia and other parts of the world. Organizers say Pakistani textile firms have traditionally concentrated their efforts on Western markets, but are now increasing their presence in Asia as well.
Frankfurt, for example, as biggest show for home textile, Pakistan is on the top 10 list as exhibitors. And they are also important here for our fair in China and for our other fairs, apparel fabrics. They have proper presentation, good qualities, and one of the global players for textiles in the world, absolutely.
18 weaving and home textiles manufacturers made the trip to China from Pakistan. A country pavilion was also set up with the help of Trade Development Authority. Pakistani manufacturers visiting the expo seemed excited about the prospects of trade with the world's largest nation.
The basic point of coming here is to make your presence felt, meet new customers. There are a lot of customers here, they are huge here, and I feel that the entire capacity of Pakistan spinning can be adjusted in China. It's so huge.
Both the Chinese and Pakistani governments are keen to increase regional trade. Governments of the two countries signed a free trade agreement in 2006, granting tariff-free access to China for Pakistan's textile products and other goods. Even as growth in the Western world stutters, Pakistani businesses are finding that this may be the time to expand in the East. China's economy is expected to grow by almost 10% this year. Millions of Chinese are thronging to the country's fast expanding cities for work. This mushrooming middle class is a colossal market for bedsheets, towels, dusters and many other items that Pakistani companies can make at very competitive rates. Attracted by these bargains, Chinese buyers are also homing in on the bottom line.
因为现在我们跟有很多客户都是巴基斯坦的客户，因为我们的货品有从巴基斯坦进口过来，销售给我们在大陆的。
The new textile policy has set a 5-year target of $25 billion for textile exports. Marketeers say increasing trade with China is crucial to achieve this mammoth benchmark.
China is a very big country, and the growth and the potential, the scope is there. So far, the Pakistani or the Indian companies have not been able to tap it to the full extent.
High hopes of Pakistani manufacturers and the enthusiasm of Chinese buyers hints at much greater potential for business with the neighboring economic superpower. Reviving the country's textile sector and penetrating the Chinese market also present an opportunity to develop trade instead of aid. Mobin Nasir, Tone News, Shanghai, China.